First of all, I don't like how you dressed today. I don't like what you got on. He cutting off his circulation. His shorts too damn small. Like you took them from your daughter. I'm tired of it. I'm so tired of it, okay?
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. How you liking the Golden Gartrell?
Hate it.
All right. Anyway, man, about to get into this vid right quick, but before I do me a favor, let me get 400 likes on this joint. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification button too, man.
Wait, well, hold up.
Before I get into this video, I gotta give a shout out to my man, Carbon 15, even though he's a Giants fan, you know what I'm saying? But nah, I appreciate it, man, coming through with that blessing. That was very much appreciated. I thank you so much. Word up.
Brother Diggy, get the collection plate around on that side. Nigga, get it around on that side.
And let me give another shout out to my man, St. P Fashion. You always coming through with the positivity, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Appreciate everybody though that's been rocking with me. That's dead ass. Word. You already know what this vid's about. It's about a pickup. It's about a crazy sale that I got from Prps. You know I fucks with Prps heavy. So they had a sale, 75% off sale. And what I did was I went deeper than that and I found an extra 15% off discount code. Oh, Lord. It was all gravy. But anyway, man, let's get into this unboxing. Ow. Hope that worked, because I ain't doing it again. Nah, where my joint? All right, here we go. So I actually got this joint delivered to the JOB today.
This monkey ass ain't worked a hard day in his life.
I rocks with PRPS, I do. I've been on it for a long time, and you know, I love all that, like their denim and stuff, popping. I have no complaints with like really any of their gear. But you know, like when it comes to jeans, well, we'll get into that in a second. We're just gonna unbox as we go, you know what I'm saying? Boom, up first, okay, yeah. And then I'm gonna tell you how the price on these joints too. Let me see if they came with it. Hold up. All right, the price is not there. I'm gonna look up the price, cause yo, I really caught a deal. Boom. So first up, I got this Japanese cherub hoodie. It's like black and I say like what, like a, what y'all think, like a varsity, infrared-ish, varsity, whatever.
Shit, nigga, make it easy on yourself. I don't know.
PRPS logo, black hoodie. Got the drawstrings with the metal tips. Boom. The metal? Yeah, metal tips. Bam. Size large. This joint, it retailed at $148, but I think I paid like 30, like around, like in the 30s for this joint, like 36 bucks. Yo, that was a good deal right there, right?
Show you right. Word.
Boom. All right. Next up. Oh yeah. I like this joint right here. I'm glad this came in. Word. This cherub stripe tee, PRPS with the red PRPS logo, red lettering. Yeah, hell yeah. Navy blue, white, and red. Let's see, size large, of course. This joint, the retail on this joint was, boom, 78 bucks. I paid like $16 for this joint. And it's back to, I think it's back to regular price too.
What do you mean you think so?
First pair of jeans. They say black, but these are like a smoke gray to me, because I've been trying to, I'm trying to like phase out all my gray True Religion jeans, because I'm, like I said, I don't know, did I mention this already? I don't know. I'm about to, like, next summer, all them Trues, they getting turned into shorts. So I ain't got to pay for no shorts next summer.
So what?
These are the Windsor joints, stretch, taper, skinny fit. Got some distressing going on up in here. Bam. Hell yeah. Yeah, I like that. I like they stretch joints. Hell yeah. I remember I ain't gonna lie, True Religion had a nice pair of stretch. These black ones that I had, I ain't gonna front. I wanna end up getting like more like a lighter grayish color, but because I do love light jeans. So I'll probably, if I can find another pair, I would definitely go after that. So anyway, boom.
Hold up.
My bad. These joints retailed at, where we at? 198 bucks, and I believe these I got for like $44. That's straight, you know what I'm saying? Plus an extra discount. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you, oh, hold up, what am I doing? Tell you how much I paid for it right now. All right, just quick, the hoodie was actually $31.45, and the gray jeans, okay, well, gray, dark, smoke gray, these joints was $42. Next up, I think these Windsor, let me see. You know me, I've been used to rocking the Barracuda joint. Okay, these LeSabre, those are the Windsor. Yeah, okay.
You sure?
LeSabre joints, okay. Size 34, yep. These joints are just stressed. Knees ain't really blown out. Check out the back. The padded folding pockets right there. That's how you know they some PRPS joints.
Not like that Kmart stuff you be wearing.
They're not that much of a light blue, but they, you know, like a medium joint. Let's see what these hit for. Boy, brother, hold up. These joints retailed at $248. That's the retail on these, $248. That's damn near like the price of those, cause PRPS, they have like levels. Like I'm on the low level, cause they got the, what is it? They got the Noor, whatever it's called. They're, I don't know, my bad. I'm gonna put it up there, whatever the word is. But they got that line, Noor. Oh, I can't even, can't even fade it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, damn.
That's thing good, okay?
I paid $39.95 for these joints, yo. Look at that.
Look at it!
Matter of fact, like this retails more than my whole joint. These, like you saw, 182 bucks for everything. And I got one more pair. When I tell you, man, I know how to shop, yo. That's why when I seen this sale, I don't really post all that like, oh, it's sales. I usually go to my Insta Snap, but I didn't know if people was really watching. So I was like, you know what? Let me just throw it. I just throw it on my joint. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't trying to keep all the fly.
Hey, Mr. Miyagi, look.
Don't get down like that. Another pair of LeSabres. Please don't tell me it's the same. Okay. These LeSabre? Yeah. Size 34. It's a basic joint. Boom. I've been thinking that I was gonna get like a real light pair, but it's cool. The price that I paid, I'm straight. Check out the back. Got a little fade out going on. Well, we used to call these fade outs. A little distressing going on. This is a 5-year wash. Yeah. But yo, you know all these joints, like I don't rock them stock. They gonna go to Valaire's. So yeah, I'm gonna end up getting these. I don't know, getting them tailored to my liking first. So before I even rock them, they going to Valaire's. So let me see what the price on these were. Again, these joints was $188, yo. Look at that.
Open your eyes, motherfucker.
For these, I paid $52. This was the most expensive jean right here, and really, it ain't even the best one. I really like these. You know what I'm saying? Like with all the fraying going on. But yo, oh, another thing, my bad. With these style of jeans, if you own a pair, you already know what I'm saying. But you already know what I'm gonna say. But if you don't own a pair of these, put your foot. When you try these on, put your foot at like an angle. Don't go straight down, you know what I'm saying? Because you're gonna catch and you're gonna snag and you are gonna hate life, you know what I'm saying? Especially, you know, hell, it don't matter if you got them on sale. You don't want your joints all, you know, you don't want that. But yeah, you'll put them down like at an angle or go slow. Don't just throw these joints on because you do not want to snag them.
Got that right, boy.
So anyway, man, last I'm gonna show y'all one more time. Boom. My pair right here. LeSabre joints. Another pair of LeSabres. I think these are like my favorite one. I can already tell by looking at them, like I gotta get them tailored. These, I don't know. I might just have to get these the Windsor Winds. I might just have to get these taken up just a little bit, like get a hem in them. I don't know about the they might be good. But yeah, so Windsor joints, boom. Yo, this is what, hey, yeah, this is what I like right here though. I love this, boy, that cherub, whatever. Hell yeah. Damn, and man, 78 bucks, I pay 16. Come on, man.
Come on, where?
I only cop sales. Like, I ain't trying to be the first to rock it. Just want to be the flyest.
Are you being modest?
You know what I'm saying? Word. And then the joint for what I paid, like 31, 32, and the joint's like 130 something. Man, I really came off. This is 5 different articles for 186 bucks. No, I haven't copped a pair of sneaks yet. I'm copping gear. You know what I'm saying? And plane tickets. Coming soon.
No, this nigga straight up lying to you.
Like I said, give me 400 likes on this joint. You like this vid. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, man. Dead ass. I'll continue to let y'all know if about sales that are coming up, because I know school's already like starting and stuff. Don't forget, tag me in a peep the pose. Send it to me. I'll throw it on my Insta story, or you could send it to my Snap. I'll repost, peep the pose. Let me see what y'all rocking to school. You know what I'm saying? Or don't forget, grades don't matter. Nah, just playing. Nah, do your best though. Word up. Shout out to the Wave Mob and everybody that's been rocking with me, commenting. Give me 400 likes on this joint, man. I appreciate it. Word. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.